Let's create your first invoice. Click Sales, Invoices, and click Create Invoice. Now choose a customer or add a customer on the fly. Name is the only required field, but you can complete the other details and they'll appear on invoices and invoice PDFs that you export. You can enter a credit limit for this customer or leave it blank, and select default terms or leave it unselected. Click Add Address to add the address details, and click Save, and save the new customer record. Flare automatically creates an invoice number and increments it for you. Click the Invoice Settings icon to change these settings. You can enter a custom invoice prefix, enter a new invoice number, subsequent invoices will be incremented from that number, and enter a custom suffix. You can toggle on and off auto-generate invoice numbers. Let's use the invoice numbers Flare generates for us. Click Cancel. Enter a purchase order if you have one, and select an invoice date. Flare uses the current date as the invoice date, or you can select your own date. Select payment terms, select an existing product, or click Add New Product to create a product or service on the fly. Entering a price, and select the chart of accounts category it will be categorized to. Click Save. Enter an optional description, the quantity, the discount if it's applicable, and select a tax or create a tax on the fly. To create a tax on the fly, first add individual taxes, and click Save. Now that you've created individual taxes, you can select either of these, or if both taxes apply to the sale, you can create a tax group and add the individual taxes to the group. And click Save. Now just choose the group tax, and both taxes will be applied to the sale. Enter an optional note that the customer will see on the invoice, and enter an optional internal memo. Click Save, or click the drop-down arrow, and save an email, save and PDF, or save and print. We'll click Save. Flare redirects you to Invoices. You can see all customer invoices, and the invoice we just created is selected. To mail the invoice, click the Email Invoice icon. To export a PDF of the invoice, click the More link, and click Open as PDF.